でかいなこれ。It's so big.
Or the court case that I was telling you about earlier, okay, that the Fifth Amendment protects the innocent as well as the guilty. The court added that a witness may have a reasonable fear of prosecution and yet be innocent of any wrongdoing. The ruling noted that innocent people might be ensnared by ambiguous circumstances. So her right to plead the fifth in this circumstance was given to her and was protected by the Supreme Court, specifically for situations exactly like the one that she was entangled in, where she could have very easily been fearful. She could have very easily been fearful that she might be.
So fearful of prosecution. Now, granted. Okay.
She committed crimes.
Wait, no. But you're still doing that. But remember, you're still doing that. You're still claiming that she is guilty because she pled the fifth.
If you're
so this is a boyfriend application, including photos. It has his email, location, phone number, college information, the car he drives. Okay, I'm way too busy, man. I'm way too busy playing Overwatch. I'm sorry. Thank you for the candle, though.
認めてもらえなかったんだってその反応を受けた時ってどう感じましたか？
いやそれはもちろん悲しかったですよ。
認めてくれる日は来ると思いますか？
ちょっと難しいと思います。やっぱ古い考えの方もいらっしゃるので、それだってもう泣いて土下座してお願いしてそれでもダメだった。
There's nothing weird about it, okay?
ちゃんと